Hey, so I wanted to come on and talk about my 1 month intensive with Megan. I'm Tiffany. I am a copywriter for Women Who Coach Women. And Megan and I worked together in May, I believe, for 1 month. And in June, I hit my first ever 5-figure month of 10K. And it was purely because of a lot of the work that we did together. So when I came to Megan, I actually thought about working with her, I believe around March, but we didn't start our official container until I think the end of April, and it went through May. And I came to her very unclear just about my next steps in business, kind of the direction I wanted to take. And we worked on several things. So we worked on just identifying my business goals. We worked on crafting pitches to people in DMs. We worked on mindset, and all of those things combined really helped me sort of get clear on my goals, put some action behind my my dreams, and really create a plan to have daily actionable profitable steps in my business, which were not there prior to that. And so if you are on the fence about joining an intensive or a program, I need you to get off of the fence and do it so that you can get clear on your goals, on your business. You can create clear and actionable steps and daily tasks that you can do to create profit in your business.